Welcome back there again. Today share some news of the pen. Under UMind, here we got the pen. Here's some function buttons right here: pressure pen, text pen. And what these functions can benefit for us both for conferencing and educational scenario. Then let me show you one by one. The first about pressure pen, the doer pen, we can call it. You can write with two colors. Then how we setting the pens in the select with long press. The first data was about setting the pen eraser. Then we detect it, and it will show my pen. It's a small pen. It shows the data like 60. Then I convert it. The free accessories by Riotouch, the pen, magnetic pen. We'll have 2 points, both the small one and the bigger one. For the small one, we name the fine pen. We detect it. Okay, we convert it. Usually, the small part need to be 2 or 3. The data, and let's detect the fine pen. The fine pen it shows 4 or 5. I think it's okay. Then we can free to use and write with 2 colors. Within here, you can also set the colors you want. We delete the colors above, and also setting the colors that do not engage in this. And also the graphic pen. Graphic pen was like something with AI based. With AI based that we can do something like we do simple settings like a graphic, and it will detect my graphic. And something about a round, it will show the round. After that, I can select it and make it bigger. And also, we support things like a triangle and a rectangle. Just with a graphic pen, we just simply offer you some basic shapes. And with the text pen, this is important part. We can add in a new page and show you something like I press the hello here. And after that, I can select it. And you will notice that there was some function button here. The first thing we can copy it and put it here. You want to calculate it uppercase and lowercase. And another thing is about scanning the code. There was found out that we can further edit and we could scan the code. I forgot to bring my cell phones, maybe next time. And also changing the colors with different colors, just like in the pens. And also we can make it to speak. So a little bit small. So we can change the boy sound or girl sound. Okay, and also we can make it to do translation. Here in the translation, we offer you several language from the alphabet, from the Arabic and Korean and the sort of things. And here's something you just need to download it, and then you are free to use this different language. And now let's check the Korean. So you switch and get the translation. What about Arabic? Then you switch again and French. Okay, now able to translate. Maybe we need to give it time to download. And let's check in the setting again. And we can also use the input. Now I'm trying to speak. This was about voice to text, one to input. And from the input, we can search on the internet. For the internet, we offer you several search engines from Google, YouTube, and something used in China by too, because there's a Yahoo. And now let's check in the Google. Me frequently used. And within here, we can also offer you to change the search engine. Now I'm trying to speak. There was a browser, which is a built-in browser, allow you to have a free access of everything in one place, make you in focus. And we can check some image. With some image, now if you like this picture, I drag here, and we can make it bigger. Now from here, there was OCR function has get a recognition of the text within the picture. Okay, here are the content of the pictures, and now let's make it bigger. Okay, and you may find that there was some content that was not correct, and let's further edit. And now you can also scan the code to finish the scaling. Now I want to delete most of the contents within here. So I just delete it. I convert it. I want to be left and I want to be paste. You can also make it to speak.
I want to be loved and want me.
Okay, something like this. That's all about pen tools. I just recommend you to use a pressure pen which have dual colors, and a graphic pen have simple graphic like triangle, rectangle, and also a text pen to have something about AI based. So other things waiting for you to explore and hear about changing the sheet thickness and etc. things. So that's all.